A red hammer, shiny and strong. Anvil made of iron, heavy and dark. Golden nails in a wooden box. A green toolbox, bright and handy. Blue pliers, gripping tight and true. A yellow shovel, digging in the dirt. Silver screws, shiny in the sun. Tools on a shelf, neatly arranged. A blacksmith's forge, glowing with heat. A wooden workbench, sturdy and wide. A white apron, protecting from sparks. A bright light bulb, shining on the work. Colored pencils, drawing plans for tools. A measuring tape, rolled up tight. A red brick, strong and square. A hammer and nail, working in pairs. 3 fine chisels, shapes to create. 4 wooden blocks, stacked in a row. 5 colorful paint cans, ready to use. A toolbox, open with many tools. We are in a busy workshop. Tools clanging, people working hard. The air is warm and filled with sounds. Sunlight shines through the tall windows. The floor is covered with wooden scraps. A big door swings, welcoming friends. Shelves filled with tools, big and small. The walls are painted bright yellow. A clock ticks on the wall, counting time. Different shapes hang from the ceiling. Meet Pinky Pickles, cheerful and bright. She wears a shiny blue apron. Her friend is Tilly the tiny turtle. Tilly helps carry tools around. They both love working together. Pinky hums a happy little tune. Tilly smiles with her friendly face. Together, they create wonderful things. They fix toys and build new ones. Every day is an adventure for them. Today, they have a special goal. A broken toy needs fixing today. Pinky looks at the toy with care. Tilly nods, ready to help her friend. Let's gather our tools, Tilly, says Pinky. They find the red hammer and nails. Next, they grab the shiny pliers. We can do this together, says Tilly. Pinky beams with excitement and joy. Off they go, ready to work. 7 shiny hammers sit on the shelf. 8 colorful wrenches are neatly aligned. Shapes of circles, squares, and triangles. A green toolbox holds many tools. Pinky finds a pink saw for cutting. Tilly talks about the tools they need. Listen, let's count them, one by one. Pinky agrees, seeing the blue toolbox. 10 small screws, all lined up neatly. 11 bright paint cans, ready to use. Shapes are found all around them. A round wheel rolls across the floor. A tall triangle stands by the wall. Pinky sees a square table by her side. A yellow rectangle rests on the bench. Tilly finds a shiny star-shaped tool. Shapes help them create and fix. Look at all the colors, Tilly, says Pinky. Green, red, blue, and yellow shine brightly. They mix colors for their new designs. Pinky smiles at the rainbow around them. As they work, they see a friend. Hello, can we help you? Asks Tilly. The friend thanks them with a big smile. They all share a snack of sweet treats. Please pass the cookies, says Pinky. We'll wait our turn, says Tilly kindly. Thank you for sharing, my friends. They enjoy the moment, feeling happy. Pinky holds Tilly's hand, guiding her. They look both ways when crossing paths. They discover shiny gadgets on a shelf. Look, this colorful gadget is so cool. The gadget can shine bright in the dark. Together, they find a book of designs. This will help us create more tools. They are excited to learn and grow. Teamwork makes their tasks so much fun. Pinky and Tilly cheer for each other. Every small surprise makes them smile. Together they can fix anything they find. They fixed many tools and toys today. Pinky and Tilly learned about shapes. They counted tools and colors too. They shared snacks and helped each other. Now it's time to clean up the space. They put the tools back on the shelf. Thank you for a great day, says Tilly. Let's do it again tomorrow, says Pinky. In their cozy workshop, they feel happy. The sun sets, painting the sky orange. Time to go home, but they are proud. Their friendship means everything to them. Tomorrow holds new adventures to explore.